Hello, my name is Chef Ben Diaz, and today I'm going to show you how to make Thailand-style shrimp paste rice. So the reason we're making this dish is not a lot of people are confident about shrimp paste or create different dishes with that. So it's a great example on how to use it. First, in a 2-quart pot, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of multigrain rice. We're going to cook it slightly for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of diced carrots, followed by 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of cumin. Finally, we're going to add 1 curry cube, followed by 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste, and 3 cups of water. We're going to gently mix this to combine. We're going to simmer on medium-high heat for about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on your temperature. A great simple dish using a unique ingredient, which not normally you can find anywhere else. The great benefit about this is you can simply use it many times and it holds for about 6 to 8 months.